Hello everyone, my name is Gloria Gultom. I'm from MRKG 6B Civil Engineering major at Medan State Polytechnic. In this moment, I want to explain about a backhoe loader. A backhoe loader is a heavy construction equipment that consists of a tractor-like unit fitted with a loader-style shovel bucket on the front and a backhoe on the back. Backhoe loaders can tackle landscaping jobs of all sizes and types, such as digging up trees and moving them to new locations, even keeping the root ball intact. They can also be put to work moving boulders, rocks, and gravel, or moving dirt and pushing topsoil into place. Backhoes are also great for digging fence post holes or minor excavation jobs, such as digging small ponds and water features. They can even be used to dig drains or irrigation lines to keep the landscape watered and healthy all year round. Parts of a backhoe loader. A backhoe loader consists of a tractor, a loader, and a backhoe. Each piece of equipment is suited to a particular sort of work. On a typical construction site, the backhoe operator usually uses all three components to get the job done. The tractor is the core structure of a backhoe loader is the tractor. It has a powerful turbocharged diesel engine, arms, rod ties, and a cab with basic steering controls. Backhoe cabs are either completely enclosed or have an open canopy to give the operator protection. The loader is attached in the front and a backhoe is attached in the back. These two components serve very different functions. The loader can do several different things. In many applications, you can use it like a big, powerful dustpan or cabiscope. The operator controls the loader while driving the tractor. And then the backhoe. The backhoe is the main tool of the backhoe loader. It's used to dig up hard, compact material, usually earth, or to lift heavy loads, such as a saver box. It can lift this material and drop it in a pile to the side of the hole. The backhoe is a big, extremely powerful version of your arm or finger. It has three segments: the boom, the dipstick, and the bucket. This arrangement is very similar to your arm. Your arm has three segments: your upper arm, your forearm, and hand. The backhoe can dig all sorts of holes, but it especially suited for digging ditches. To use the backhoe, the operator has to park the tractor and turn the seat around. The other part is the boom. The boom is the long part of the backhoe arm that is close to the cab where operator sits. The boom can be raised or lowered and navigate from left to right, which is known as swings the boom. The second part of the backhoe arm is called the dipstick. While the boom is attached to the operator's cab, the dipstick is connected from the pivot to the bucket that scoops the earth. It serves as the forearm of the backhoe. And then, the bucket is the final part of the backhoe and is the part that scoops the earth or dirt that has to be moved. A pivot is provided between the dipstick and the bucket to facilitate the movement of the bucket. To scoop up the earth, bucket is moved towards and dipstick. The tractor component is for moving the other two components from place to place, and the operator also maneuvers it when using the loader. The loader and backhoe components are a natural combination for all sorts of jobs. The most common application for a backhoe loader is this basic job: digging a trench with the backhoe and then backfilling it with the loader. The other common attachments in backhoe loader are two stabilizer legs just behind the rear wheels. These legs are crucial to backhoe operation because they take the burn of the weight when a backhoe is digging. Without the stabilizer legs, the weight of a heavy load or the downward force of digging into the ground would strain and the wheels and tires, and the whole tractor would bounce constantly. The stabilizer keeps the tractor steady, minimizing the jostling effect of digging with the backhoe. They also secure the tractor so that it won't slip into ditches or holes. The key to the power of the backhoe is hydraulic pressure. Hydraulic lines, a reservoir of hydraulic fluid, a pump, and a series of pistons allow the machine's operator to extend its arm and cut through the soil with a toothed bucket. The pump exerts pressure on the hydraulic fluid, and operating the levers opens a valve and releases the oil into a piston. The piston expects to lift the arm, swing the bucket, press the bucket into the soil, and lift it out of the excavation. Reversing the valve causes the oil to flow out of the piston and return to the reservoir. The backhoe standard equipment is a narrow bucket on the rear and a loader on the front. The operator effectively makes either device the working and be simply rotating his chair and operating a different set of controls. If the bucket is being used, the flat front end of the loader is set down and the ground to stabilize the vehicle. Okay, that's my explanation about backhoe loaders. I hope it's useful. Thank you. Bye.